you go. Perfect. Give me some light, will you? So.
Just a sec. Please hold. Please hold while.
Whoa! You took a picture. Okay, so we're starting the fireworks. The boys are out there. Say hi to every single person. But at the same time, it's not everybody yet. So we're kind of waiting.
How much time is left?
We got about 2 minutes and 30. I don't know where the fuck the boys are.
I know, man.
Come on, Jordan, boy. You're the one with the countdown.
Nah.
So, as you can kind of see, there's fireworks going on right now. This guy's parked up top. There's fireworks there. Look at that. That's half decent.
Half decent. Half decent. Casket bad.
People that are pulled over on the highway are.
Oh, so this guy.
Oh, Jesus!
Sorry. That guy up there is going to have a fucking laugh.
Goodbye, Liz's fucking vision.
I'm probably hit by fireworks.
I said goodbye, your vision. Like,
Sorry, Liz. Hey, we got about 2 minutes. Hold on, Jordan's coming out.
Oh my God, that light is fucking blind, you know.
okay, do it.
Jordan, what time we got?
Come on, boss.
I'm spitting on your garbage. I hope that's not a big deal.
Alright, we got 2 minutes. Here goes JP.
Here we go.
Oh, here.
Woo!
Over there, dude.
Tyler, you're literally the slowest.
Stand right over fireworks.
Bro, team, get in.
Fireworks.
Jordan, bring up an actual countdown. We should have like a minute.
Thank you, sir.
The chair is gonna like die.
Oh yeah, that chair is gone.
The chair is gone.
I didn't like
The
that
good
chair
thing,
anyway.
if the chair is gonna fall, it's gonna fall back.
44 fucking seconds.
We hope, considering I'm in front of all of you.
44 seconds. I hope it's
Let me know when it's 10 to 10 and we'll go.
I can't fucking. I'm fucking cold.
I mean, you know what? I'm not even gonna roll this. I'm just gonna watch it.
Yeah, but
Alright, I'll fucking communicate. Yeah.
Oh,
alright, I think we're going soon.
over that way. Oh, yeah.
So who got the fire department number? Somebody?
I
got 911 dialed. I'm just waiting for that.
Alright, we'll see. 10, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Now we go up. Alright, keep going, keep going. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going!
Fucking TV.
We are not at a safe distance. We are not at a safe distance. King! Alright, move! Jesus Christ! That was fuck! I went.
Off the fucking head!
Nobody got hurt today. Nobody got hurt.
That was not the That was nuts! Is that it?
Not yet. I wish I had James getting hit by
Yeah,
him.
the boss is fucking frightened to death. I got him high there.
Wow. And that, ladies and gentlemen,
He was literally caught on fire, James.
Really?
You're like catching everything.
You were so close to the fucking.
I'm gonna end it at exactly 5 minutes.
You reek of sulfur. Yeah.
And there we.
That was sick.
That was on the